Let's get this started right away without wasting any of your time, guys. Today's method involves simple reviewing. There is a lot of money to be made like this, and actually there are a lot of people who are doing this on a daily basis and they are quite profitable. I will show you the easy way of doing this so you can as well go and make some money for yourself by simply following the steps that I will lay out for you. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now let's get started. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It's that simple. So first of all, guys, I want you to go on g2.com. g2.com, guys, remember this website. As you can see, you are here coming to review some softwares and you're gonna get paid for that. Now here you can choose the right software and services for your businesses based on over 1.5 million authentic, timely reviews from real users. And that's what we're gonna be, guys. We're gonna be reviewing these softwares over here, and that's the greatest thing, guys. It's so easy and it is so profitable. A lot of people are doing this already. And as you can see, guys, here on this video, this is for everyone. This is generating money for you wherever you live on earth. It doesn't matter where you come from. You only need some internet connection and a few clicks, and then you will earn money, guys. It is so easy, yet it is so profitable. So simply what I want you to do now, guys, is that you go to the web page, and now you just have to go down there and click on this button, write a review. Click on it, and then you will be redirected to this page where you can see that let's find the software and services you use at work. So here you can just pick a role and we'll show you related products and services to review. So for example, you've got advertising, you've got e-commerce, sales, business operations and analytics, information technology, finance and accounting. So whatever you need, you can find it here. So for example, let's go on design category over here, and here you can see that there is some related to photo editing, there is some related to video conferencing, vector graphics, all of these different softwares which are waiting for us to review them. So you can actually use whatever you want. If you want some video conferencing, just click on this here, video conferencing, and here you will find all of these related to that. Now, for example, let's just use this one, voice, and click on that, and here you can see that you have selected one product. Click on continue button over here, and now you will just have to click on this review button over here. But wait, until you are not logged in, you can review this. So actually you just have to click on this here button, continue to log in, and here you can just sign up with your business email, with your Google account or LinkedIn account, whatever you use. It doesn't matter, it just needs to get your information and your account. So I'm gonna log in with Google because that's gonna be faster. Now guys, once you are logged in, you will go to the second part of this review. So first question is, how likely is that you would recommend voice to a friend or colleague? So guys, just to be clear, you don't have to use any of these softwares. You don't have to be proficient at any of these. You can just select whatever you need, whatever you feel comfortable with, and I'll show you the way in which you can get yourself a nice review. And that's gonna get you a lot of money, trust me. So how likely is that you would recommend this software? Click on 10 because it is a very nice software. We want to make a good review, and now here is the title for your review. And now if you don't know what to write, follow me. As you can see, there are already some reviews for this voice. If you scroll down here, you will see this one, you will see this one. There are a lot of these reviews, and you can see this app already accumulated rating of 4.5 out of 5. So very nice rating for this app. It's cool as it is right now, so we can be sure that we can put 5 stars as well, and we won't be mistaken. Now you can see that this guy has a title, Purposeful Conversation Media on a Secured Platform. This guy over here has on a secure platform, Purposeful Conversation Media. This guy has my experience with voice. So for example, you can combine all of these. So let's take experience from this one, secure platform from this one, and conversation. So for example, we can just type in secure conversation on a nice platform, my experience. And that's nice review for start, guys. That's nice title, and we can go and click on this button which is entitled next. Now it's just gonna open down on the page and you will have some cross questioning about what do you like best and what do you dislike about the app. So now, guys, we can just do the following. Go back to those reviews and just click on show more, and you will see what this person likes best about a platform and what does he dislikes. So, for example, you can just take one sentence of this one, you can copy it into your clipboard and come here and paste it over here. Now go back to this page and click on this over here, which is this one from Michaela. You can, for example, just select few of these sentences from this guy over here, copy it into your clipboard, come back here and paste that sentence over here. So it's gonna go like that. And now you already have this one. It's just copy and paste, guys, but you have to combine these because you don't need to copy from one person everything because that's gonna be suspicious. Now, what do you dislike? Same way. Come here and take like these sentences from here, copy it into your clipboard, come back and paste it over here. Go back to this one and let's maybe find another one, show more, and copy this one as well. So I don't want to copy whole, I just want to copy one sentence. Copy it into your clipboard, paste it over here, and that's it, guys. That's how easy and simple it is for this part. Click on next button once more, and now it will open these questions. So what problems are you solving with voice? What benefits have you realized? Now you just do the same thing, guys. For example, just go down there for a little bit and click on show more, and this guy has voice solved my biggest communication problem with my team, so you can copy this one as well. So click on it, copy it into your clipboard, come back on your review and paste it over here, and that's done. Click on next button once more, guys, and it will open all of these questions over here, which are gonna be very easy. So, at which organization did you most recently use voice? What is the URL of the organization? What is your organization's size when using this project? So you can just click myself only because we are like freelancers. You can click on other as well over here. And then what is your industry when using this product? You can type in freelancer because we are freelancers. We don't want to be accompanied with any firm or the office. So are you a current user of voice? Click on yes. And now what is your primary role when using voice? You will just click on user and you will confirm that you are not affiliated with the product. Just click no, I'm not affiliated, and click on the next button over here. Now for this one, you have some simple ease of questions, ease of use, quality of support. I will just put 7 on all of these and finish this with the next button. And now once you're done with this, you can also share your review, but you can click on no thanks because you don't need to do that. And as you can see, thank you for your review of voice. So guys, that's how easy it is to make money with G2.com. I hope that you learned something, and I hope that you will take some action and make some money for yourself by simply reviewing these softwares. It is very easy, no fuss needed, and all you have to do is follow these steps and get yourself profitable, guys. You can just copy and paste all of these reviews and make it your own, and you can earn money off of that. Now, how cool is that? Go out there and catch some action, guys. Get yourself some money, and I'll catch you guys later. See you.